can see. You can see the transition in the camera.
Hi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my god, it feels so nice to finally say welcome back. I remember my first video, I was like, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I don't know, it's just, well, used to welcome back. And my first YouTube video, I said welcome back. First. But anyways, guys, now that this is my second, I can say welcome back. So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this is not me about to pretend like, no, I'm not coming back after 6 months. Actually, I just wanted to pretend, but I can't pretend. It's not my fault. I'm using Techno Spark 5 Pro, so it used to do me anyhow. I mean, I recorded 3 contents and my Techno Spark 5 Pro just cancelled my content. Guys, I'm going through it. I swear, but now I'm rest assured because I already know how the phone works. You fight fire with fire. You see this content, you will get posted. So without further ado, guys, let me go straight to the point. The deal is to look homeless as I'm starting the video and look like hot cake at the end. Like right now I'm looking really homeless. See my hair. And the deal is to transform DIY, DIY all back, DIY cornrows. Yeah, cornrows is the word. DIY cornrows, and I'm going to do it. Yeah, it's DIY, so I'm going to do it by myself. That's tautology. Anyways, guys, let me introduce my color. You guys, I'm so smart. See the colors that I combined together. This is the mixture. This is the mixture of the color. You can see it, but this is the one that I've not mixed. So I have 2 colors actually. Right here is wine, while this one is this Aria Stars color. So I was just thinking, if I combine it together, it gave me where is it now? Combine it together, it gave me so this is the original color. You can see the difference. You can see. I'm smart. Oh my god, guys, to the main deal, to the cocoa of the everything, so I'm going to, oh my god, the video just died.
Well, it wasn't only my neighbor's gen that was after my video. The ring light's battery too weird cause it's bailed on me. Now I'm left to just my flashlight, and my only hope is
Nepa, should I sing for you? Please bring light. So I'm looking down because the mirror that I'm using is down, and I'm using my back camera. So this is the mirror. You guys, I swear, this is what this mirror is giving me. Like, it's giving me iPhone vibe. Like the mirror itself, and the phone is giving me, the vibe. But I shall know that this God that I serve, he never wear flip flop. So right now, what I'm doing is I'm just sectioning this light doesn't come down. I'm sectioning the attachments into small pieces as part. Nobody's going to help you pick it. It's DIY. It's on your own. You're doing it on your own. So you're just going to section it into small places and make sure you have as many as you can. It's better to have like a lot left than to have to be stranded in the middle of the air. So you're going to see what I'm saying when I continue.
Usually, if there was light, I would have straightened my hair with hot comb, but there's no light. God, this no light is really doing me strong thing, but I mean, we got to move on, so I'm still doing it anyways. I'm giving it a real commission. So cream, just going to, like, you have to start with knowing how to weave your hair all back normally. If you don't know how to weave your hair all back, you cannot get to this. But we can't say there's nothing God cannot do. So actually I'm using my eyes doesn't really react to a lot of light, so you can see that I'm blinking a lot because I'm looking directly into my flashlight. I'm going through a lot. Anyways, so if it's just like you doing normal or back sha. So right now I'm doing invisible Ghana weaving. Yeah, you know invisible Ghana weaving, right? But if you cannot do invisible Ghana weaving, just go with normal Ghana weaving. So you're just going to start from, it depends. If you want to start, it's very advisable to start with your hair though. So I'm just going to go. So once you started with your hair, then you start picking the attachment. So invisible Ghana weaving that I'm doing, you're just going to, normal Ghana weaving is like this, but invisible, you're just going to put it like this. You won't hold it in the other side and drag and plait. So then you're going to, and then this one you just push it to the back. That's how invisible Ghana weaving works. So you can see that it's not showing. So we're going to do the same thing again. Push it to the back. You can see. So the trick of this thing is to just technically use your head. So if the volume is getting too much, I'm going to pause and plait. But right now the volume is not too much. So you are going to be using your hand to feel the volume. I'm continuing because I can feel the volume. I can see that if it's too big, it's not going to be fine. So I'm just feeling the volume. If it's the amount, the exact amount I won't add again. But if it's getting too small, I would add. No matter what you do, make sure you're guiding the other line too, as you can see.
Hey, up Nepa. So as you can see, I'm halfway done with the hair, and that's when Nepa said, okay, we want to bring the lights. But anyways, nothing spoiled. No, you see, village people, you will not go.
Yes, I'm just finishing the mouth, and this thing is really long, but I don't really get the shoot. So I'm going to continue finishing the mouth. So I'm going to continue this section.
So guys, remember when I told you that I was going to start this video looking homeless and end looking, and end looking like, somebody's 9 months. Yep. So actually guys, I'm actually almost done with it, and you can see the transition now. You can see the transition in the camera. Okay, so I'm going to continue by teaching you guys how to join attachments. It's actually not hard. So I'm going to move closer so you can get an up close view. Hold, then just drop it at the middle like this and plait. I'm going to try that one more time. So guys, I'm going to talk about this color again. I'm smart. I said it before and I'm going to say it again. I'm smart. So I'm going to show you the color I mixed again. This is like the third time I'm showing you, but I'll still show you how smart I am. So I mixed this Arista's color together. I really don't know I think it's color 33. I don't know. You shall call the Arista's color, and wine and bam. He gave me this. I know. I'm smart. So did you learn graphic designing and video editing together, or just graphic designing? That was your face.
I've learned a lot of things. I don't know if I learned video editing. I just figured it out. So.
Okay.
Wait,
Well,
how do you know how to edit videos?
I don't know. You sounded like you know how to do it.
I sounded like. I do, sure. You know, feel more. What do you say this though?
Hey, these videos. Well, currently I'm learning how to do graphics and edit.
You know how to do graphics?
Professionally.
You know how to do graphics?
Yes.
That's nice. Where are you learning from?
My IT.
Your IT?
Yes, now I'm doing IT now.
Oh,
so
okay,
they posted me to the
Wait, you said
editing
radio
department.
Nigeria or something like that?
Jesus.
You said something radio.
Ah.
Something radio.
Ha!
Well, no.
My name seems like video like
I know
this.
it's
I
not
said,
media something like this.
obviously, it will be a media something. So let me tell you how I stole your shirt. That's how.
Trying to hold my shirt back. I don't want to concern me.
But it does not look like you're wearing this thing. This your shirt. Are you wearing it?
What did you just say now?
Are you wearing the shit? Because it still looked abandoned.
It looks
Abandoned.
abandoned. You always in this house is money.
Ah, oh, that do you not see what I'm doing since?
What I want to take for time.
Well, like that, my journey shall continued, and I was left all alone. Well, until my brother came, well, I kind of forced him to. I didn't force him, but I just like begged him a lot to just come, and he came. But at the point he left, so I was left all alone. And at the point, I was thinking about my life because I don't deal with hunger. I just can't. And Nepa also came, and hey, they took it again. They did not what they know how to do best, disappoint somebody. But they brought it back, No, actually they didn't. This was the gen, and I called my brother back. Guess I had to beg him again. So Isha helped me remove attachments for a while, and at this point I was done. I was so happy, and it's time for me to coil it. So you guys pay a lot of attention to it. So you're just going to use any either wool or thread or anything. Then do as if you are threading it, like so. You're just going to like thread it and make it really firm, and at a point you make it loose to determine the space, and you thread and pull like I'm doing now. You just thread it and pull it, thread it and pull it, make it loose, and then you tie it, and I'm done. Glory to God, I finally finished it, and look at me, oh yeah, like your hair down, I made it long, and this is me rocking my hair in my place of work. Oh my, look at this shine, look at this man down to the area town and ho. And this is what it looks like after putting it in hot water. Shout out to my nice and God sent neighbor for making my video quality better. You saw this transition now, all thanks to him. And this is the end of the video. Let me know what you think in my comment section. This is the end of the video. Bye, see you in my next video.